Guys, I'm back again with another video and a very interesting video because in this video I'll be showing you all the lipsticks that I have as a collection in my vanity, and trust me, I'm going to show you all the shades, all the formulations and everything. And being a girl myself, I know how interesting it is to peep into someone's vanity because we love watching what products other people have, and we always look out for recommendations to add them in our own vanity. So I know this video is going to be interesting for all the girls, and let me tell you that I have not collected all these lipsticks at one time. Like, I have not just gone and purchased all of them together. Do not over purchase. I do not recommend over purchasing things. All these lipsticks that I have, they are collected over a period of time. When I say a period of time, they are like number of years, because I have that obsession of collecting all the lipsticks. Although I do not use them because it's not advisable to, or it's not good to use any lipstick which is like older than 6 months, because it's not good for your lips or your skin. So do not use it. I don't use most of them, but I've still kept it in my vanity just to be as a collection because I love collecting them. So without much ado, let's get started. First, let me show you the pouches that I used to store my lipsticks, and clearly y'all can see there are many. So this is my lipstick collection, and I have just done one thing. Like, just few days back, I just sat with my lipsticks and I just segregated them basis on whether they are matte lipsticks or liquid lipsticks. So at least I know which are my liquid lipsticks. I don't have to keep finding out. So I've just segregated them in this format, like 2 sections: liquid lipstick and matte lipsticks. And I think let's start with the liquid ones first, and then we'll go to the matte or the bullet ones. So this, let me tell you, this cute pouch that y'all can see, this is, I think, from Miniso. I had bought this from Miniso, and I love storing all my liquid lipsticks, in this. So there was just one thought, I can see liquid over here, and that's how I'll remember, I have liquid lipsticks. Weird, but I know it works for me. So let's get started with this pouch first, and let's start seeing all the lipsticks one by one. So first of all, I have Flawless Matte Lip Gloss. Now let me tell you, all the lipsticks will not be from high brands, because I feel it's a waste, to just invest in all the high brand lipsticks at all time. You get very, very good quality dupes as well, or maybe the same color shades, in non-branded ones, or the brands which are little lower than the ones which are famous. So I do not mind buying those and using them. I have been using them since many years, and I have not faced any problem in terms of quality, formulation, or in it has not even spoiled my lips, nothing. But yes, do not purchase very cheap lipsticks, because they might end up ruining your lips or the skin on it. But I just look out for a good brand. Not necessary it has to be a very good brand. A mediocre brand should also work, because they are also removing very good color, same color dupes of the high-end ones. So that's okay. And so let's start. This is the first one, is a nude shade, and it's a liquid lipstick, and this is the shade. I love this. It's a very good mauve pinkish nude shade. Works very well on the Indian skin tones. Then the next one is from the D store. It's a matte lip gloss again, and it's kind of a nude shade again. So this is the shade. A very, very pretty shade, and this shade I'm wearing as well today. I love wearing it. So today I have just mixed 2 lipsticks, this one and one more, like a matte lipstick, and on top of that I layered it a little bit on the top with this one. So it gave me the kind of shade that I required. So yes, this is the other one. Then The next one I have is Matte Me from ADS Pro, and I think this is the red one. I'm not going to show the swatch of it because I have not even opened it and it's going to take time. I don't want to take that time in my video. So, but as you can see, it's a very pretty orangish kind of a red color and a very good liquid lipstick. All these lipsticks are not costly, but they are very good in formulation. Another shade I have is again, you know, a nude kind, because I clearly love these nude kind of shades. This is the shade. This is Huda Beauty Matte Lip Gloss. This is actually a matte lip gloss, but it's a colored one, and so it gives a very pretty shade. It's from Huda Beauty. I do have few hand ones as well. The next one is My Glam. This one I would say I had got it in some offer. There was some offer running out, or maybe still that offer is running out on their website, My Glam, where you know you just have to pay for the shipping, but the lipstick cost is free. I don't know now, but I had bought it in that scheme, I remember. But and I was having very little hopes from this lipstick. I was like, they're just giving out some free stuff, so you know, might not be a good lipstick. I don't know. But when it arrived and I tried, oh my god, it was so good. Let me just show you this one as well. Let me focus this. Look at the shade, yeah. Look at the shade. It's such a good shade. This is from My Glam. It is Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick. Prices I clearly do not remember, because I told you I have been collecting these lipsticks since many years, you know, few of them. So I do not clearly remember, you know, for how much I had bought. This one is from Sugar. This is from Sugar, and this is which shade? Sweet Secret Matte Lipstick, and Sugar is an Italy brand. I remember this was gifted to me by my husband. This is the shade, a purple kind of a shade, but a very nice purple. Very nice color. And the story behind this lipstick is that the problem with me was earlier that whenever I applied lipstick, within half an hour, you know, it used to vanish. I don't know how. So then he gifted me this, which, you know, sticks around on your lips and it does not go off, because he wanted me to, you know, have a solution of this problem, because I was like, you know, always whenever we used to go out on dates and stuff, and I will be like, my lipstick is already gone now. How do I take pictures? I wanted you to take picture in my lipstick. So, you know, thinking about that, he bought this shade, and this shade clearly sits on your lips and it does not go unless you remove it through a makeup remover, you know. So it's a very good one. The next one is 2-in-1 kind, where you, on one side you have, this is from Victory Star Matte Lip Gloss and Lipstick. So on one side you have this matte lipstick, and on the other side you are going to have the same shade lip gloss, just to top it up. So just to give you a little shade swatch. All the colors that I have, for sure, I know are very pretty, which any girl would like to have in their vanity. So go ahead and have them. This is also ADS Matte Me Ultra Lipstick, Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and my hand is all full already. This is the shade for it. Guys, let me tell you, ADS is not that, you know, high a brand, but its liquid lipsticks are very good, and I have them in my D store as well. So if you guys, I had made a dedicated IGTV video for a combo of ADS Pro lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, where you get a combo of many shades. So if you have not checked them out, then go on my Instagram profile, which is DS90official, and just, like, you know, search out for an IGTV series on my profile which says, you know, unboxing the D store box. Over there you will get one video which shows all the lipsticks and, you know, the entire combo of the ADS Pro lipsticks, matte ones, and they are superb. They are superb. Like, I love using them. The next one, I think that's it. No, I do have a few more in the pouch, otherwise it's almost empty. This one is Estee Lauder, but this one I have not purchased. This was gifted to me by someone, I don't remember. Maybe I think my husband only. So at the wedding time, you know, when they exchange presents and, you know, to the daughter-in-law, I think in that package only I found this. So this is Estee Lauder, and this is kind of a gloss, a very mild gloss. Yeah, a very mild gloss. It gives you a nice sheen on your bare lips. So it's a very good gloss. Has to be Estee Lauder. And then I have, this one is a sharpener, because I think I do have few lipsticks which requires sharpening. I think just one of them in the matte section, but otherwise most of them I think are liquid now, or bullet ones. Okay, and then next two are not liquid lipsticks, but they are glosses. So I think these were gifted to me by my husband's cousin, who happens to stay in US, and he had visited India, I think 1.5 years back, and at that time I think he had bought these for me. And trust me, these are very good. It's from Neutrogena, and the shades are very, very good. How do I show this one? Yeah, see this one. These are all kind of, you know, a little tinted, but mostly transparent, just a slight hint of a tint. And this is a clear gloss, so I don't think I need to show you all. This is just a clear gloss, and it is ultra, this is from Broadway, from the brand Broadway, and it is Ultra Lip Mint Oil Lip Gloss. So when I apply this, I really like this, because whenever I apply it, it's very refreshing, you know, because it has mint oil. So instantly a mint fragrance, you know, comes in and you feel very refreshed. So very good. And the last one is, I had purchased this I think few years back, and then I never used it, and now I don't want to use it since it's old. So this is Colorbar Skin Lip Lighten Up Lip Mender, and it's basically used to like lighten your lips. So this is the kind of formulation. It's a kind of a cream which you should apply before applying your lipstick, so that, you know, there is no harm to your lips or the coloration of your lips, natural lips, and it prevents you from the damage that the lipstick colors can do. So I had planned on using this, but then kind of got lazy to put this first and then the lipstick, and you know, it just sat in my vanity just like that for years, and now I feel so sorry for this, because it was such a good product, and why didn't I use it? Like, you know, I was so dumb not to use it. And I think the price is written over here, so I can mention its price. It retailed for 850 rupees then. I am not sure now because I have not checked, but it was for 850 rupees. Clearly a waste. I could not use it. I just forgot to use it. Don't do that. Just keep checking your vanity so that all your good products do not expire and then you end up, you know, regretting of, you know, not being able to use it. Don't do that. So I think that's pretty much it for my liquid lipsticks. And I think I have a combo as well from the D store, which I was talking about, of ADS Pro. So those are kind of 5 or 6 lipsticks in the combo. So those are in my vanity as well, but currently they're not in this pouch, and I'm feeling quite lazy to get up. I hope you guys understand, because I've already done all the setup, won the mic, not feeling, you know, to again break the setup and go and bring it. But yes, I already have a video for it, so I think I can take this much of a leeway from you guys. You can just go and check over there. And now let's come to our matte or bullet lipsticks. And clearly this is such a big pouch. It's a net pouch. I like to store my lipsticks in these kind of pouches where I can see, you know, what lipsticks I have. Rather than storing them in opaque pouches, I like to store them in these kind of transparent pouch or bags, because it gives you a fair idea, you know, whenever you are in a hurry and you want to decide on a lip shade that you want to wear, you can just clearly, like, you know, scan through from the top, just open and dig out the shade that you need. It's very convenient. And this pouch is also from Miniso. I think it was a pack of 3 in different sizes, and I liked it, so I picked it and I started using it for my vanity. So let's get started for the bullet ones. First one, of course, has to be the one which I like the most, which is Miss Rose Flash of Pink. The shade name is Flash of Pink, and this is 03 shade. And this brand is so underrated. I love the lipsticks that they create. They are not very expensive, but very good in coloration, quality, formulation, everything. And D-Store has this. There's a dedicated video for these lipsticks as well. Please go and check out, because you get these lipsticks for just so less. Go and check. So let me quickly show you. This is like, you know, there are 2 ends. One is a liner. You get liner as well along with the lipstick. So convenient. You can just line and apply your shade at the same time, and it's such a good and a pretty shade. I might not be able to show you swatches of all the lipsticks because it will make this video very long. I hope you guys understand this. Another lipstick again is from D-Store, and again this is from Miss Rose. This is Chubby Lip Crayon. It's a crayon lipstick. Guys, when it comes to matte lipsticks, more than bullet, I like these kind of crayons, you know. They are so convenient to use, and you can carry them anywhere. And I don't know, like these the chubby crayon kind of lipsticks are really good. I don't know why. I like them so much. And here you get a knob to just remove more product and then take it back. So no need of, you know, sharpening these lipsticks, although they are crayons, but no need to sharpen it. And very good shade. This is a shade, which one? Let me tell you quickly. Intense Fuchsia, color number 27. It's a very good shade, and I've used it a couple of times in my videos when I'm shooting. My mic is not setting up today. The next one is not a lipstick, but it's a I think lip balm, a tinted lip balm, this one, and it is from Miniso, I guess. Yes, it is from Miniso, and it is Vitamin E lip balm. Its name is Vitamin E. So I have not used it. I have purchased it, but I am yet to use it. Maybe, you know, I want to know its shade. So let me just try what kind of shade it has. Okay, so it is this kind. Although it looks very red, but it is not that tinted. So in case if you want to use it for your, you know, just your regular purpose, you can use it. And it has vitamin E oil, which is why I bought it, because vitamin E is good for your skin. So this is the other one. Then the next one is, yeah, I told you that I have just kept that sharpener because I just have one chubby crayon lipstick which I still need to sharpen, and this is the crayon. It's in a mess because I've used it quite a lot because I love this shade, and as you can see, you know, its branding and everything has gone off now. I mean, it's not that old, but I've used it so often that I don't know, it just went away. But yeah, if I can figure out, I'll see. I think this was from, not able to recollect from which brand, I don't know. But yeah, if I know, I will put it out in my stories, maybe someday. A very good one. I have used this one the maximum, you know, whenever I go out or whenever I have to shoot or whenever I have to click pictures. A very good chubby lip crayon. I would like to show the shade for this at least because it's one of my favorite. It gives you instant pop, you know, on your face, a pop of color. It's red, but a very different shade of red. I don't like very common shade of red. I like reds, but different shades, you know, more towards maroon or more towards orangish or tangerine, you know, those kind I like more. Another one now is from True Color lipstick and shade 1512 Mocha, and this is the bullet lipstick. Very good shade I feel, because who does not like these mocha kind of shades? Very good lipstick. This is from Avon. Next one is Lakme Enrich Satin, and the shade number is B575. It's a satin range, and this is the shade. This is also kind of brown, but a different shade of brown. Try to gather. So one tip for collecting lipsticks in your vanity would be, if you are planning to buy a couple of lipsticks together to sit in your vanity, then try to collect different shades. Like, do not have red of different brands. It will make no use, you know, it will be of no use to you. Just don't collect the same red shade from, you know, MAC, then from Estee Lauder, then from Lakme, from Maybelline, but the same shade. Because otherwise it's just like, you know, different brand, but the shade is like just red. So you just have red now to wear everywhere. And clearly, you know, the lipsticks, the same shades do not go on all the outfits. So my suggestion would be, out of the experience, is collect different shades of different companies. So this way you you will have the chance of experimenting with the brands as well, and you will end up having different colors as well in your vanity. So, you know, there will be less wastage. The next one again is kind of a lip balm, but a tinted one, which Nivea had, you know, recently put out. They have many shades in this, and guys, I would tell you, please go and buy these, because clearly they are very versatile, very useful, and they are so soft and creamy, and they also give you the tint, you know, that which is required. I loved this range what Nivea has come out with. It's very good, and I'm definitely going to purchase different shades in the same range. But obviously once this is over, I don't know, as I said, I don't want to like waste cosmetics, because it's our hard earned money. Let's not waste our money. Once, you know, a thing gets over, only then purchase the other one. Otherwise purchase another variant of it. Do not end up buying, you know, same stuff and hoarding on things. The next lipstick that I have is from Maybelline Color Show Creamy Matte Lip Color, and this is the oldest lipstick I have. This is one of the first lipsticks I had when I stepped into college, that is in my junior college, 11th standard, and I've just kept it as my memory that, you know, this is the first lipstick that I bought, you know, when I started feeling feminine and I wanted to, you know, do makeup, that phase. So I don't use it on my lips anymore, but I would like to show you the shade since it's my first and I have memories with it. This is the first shade that I had. It was kind of red and a very good one, but I could not clearly finish the entire lipstick. That happens with most of the lipsticks, because we are not those kind of girls where, you know, where we have to wear makeup every day. We only wear makeup whether, you know, when it's like some special day or special occasion, or we are shooting, you know, something like that. Like, I never used to apply makeup every day and go to college. I used to go on my bare skin, not even like foundation, anything. I just used to apply a cold cream or my normal cream, skin cream, and just like, you know, apply kajal and go. That was the 90s phase, and I think all the 90s girls can relate to it, that, you know, makeup to us did not mean all this that we have right now. It was just like a normal cream and then just a lip gloss and kajal in our eyes. That's it. And at that, even with these minimal products, we used to feel that, like, you know, we are so prepped and we have done so much of makeup. I think all the 90s college going girls would relate, you know, if you have gone to college when we were in college, that phase. I know you girls can relate. This is from Elf. I love this brand. This brand is something else. This is Elf, and it's a lip balm tint, and it is some different color, guys. It's not even red, it's not even brown, it's not even orange. It's some shade which you cannot explain, but it's very, very good. It's a very, very good shade. So, and the smell of it, my god. I remember this was purchased by me when I had gone to US for my family holiday with my mom, dad and my brother. So my brother used to study over there, and we had post his studies when he was working. We had just gone and planned a family holiday and visited him. So I think I had done, I had shopped this from these lip balm tints from there, because US, when you go to US, just indulge in makeup, because those brands are so good, and it's not even expensive over there. I mean over here when those brands come, they become expensive, but when you go over there, you get it at a much better price. So clearly, like right now you cannot travel, but in case if you are traveling, then do watch out for good brands of cosmetics and everything when you go outside India. Next one is from Nykaa. Now this is another brand which I love. So Nykaa did a very good thing by putting out and making manufacturing products of their own company. It had started just like an Amazon of makeup, and later on it started producing its own makeup, because they understood everything so well, the game, that they themselves plunged into it. But a very good decision, because whatever products they are giving out, I mean all the Nykaa products, they are top notch, whether it's like foundation or whether liquid lipsticks or matte lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, or their like shower gels and creams and concealers, everything, whatever they are putting out is just top notch. They understand cosmetics so well. So this was, coming back to this lipstick, this is Naughty Nude, and it's a very good nude shade. I love this lipstick. I have collected a lot of nude. Earlier I was attracted to red kind of lipsticks, red shades, and I used to collect only red ones. And then suddenly my energy changed towards nude ones. I think that has happened with most of the 90s crowd, because earlier we were into reds and pinks, and now suddenly we have moved to browns, nudes, mauves, those kind. So there's definitely a transition in or a makeup revolution that we have witnessed, the 90s kids. And the next one is from Miniso. I remember buying this from Miniso. It is Cochineal 04, and it is perfect. It is Perfect Skin. The name is Perfect Skin, and the shade is 04 Cochineal. And I was attracted to this lipstick because it had, now I have used it, otherwise it was a perfect star shape. So when you apply, it's like a perfect star shape molded. So it was something new. So let's move on to another lipstick, and that is, there's no brand written over here, or maybe the branding that was written has gone because it's an old lipstick. And it was this shade. Just look at this shade, it's some magenta kind, a very good shade. And oh my god, this is such a good shade. I feel like using it many times, but since it is old, I refrain from using it. But I cannot throw it away, because these colors were so dear to me, and I had found them with a lot of efforts and trials and everything. So I let them sit in my vanity. Maybe I won't use it, but I can have them as a collection. Next one again is from Miniso, Mini Pony range, and it is their this range is Jewel Shine lipstick. So in Mini Pony there will be a Jewel Shine range, and this shade is 04 Rouge Red. This is actually not red, but it's Rouge Red. The shade name is that, but it's pinkish one. This is the shade. My entire hand is like, you know, covered in swatches. But I really like the packaging of this lipstick because obviously first it's black in color, so biased to it. Black is my favorite color, and the pink branding over the black case is so good, and it shines, you know, as per the range. It's like jewel shine lipstick, and it actually, the package shines, you know, so a very good packaging. Now the next one, let's move to the next one. It says Flawless. Okay, this now is from brand called as Flawless, and it's from Miniso. Again, I bought it from Miniso, and this range is what, I mean, this color shade is, it was written over here, yeah, 05 Orange Kiss. So this is orange color lipstick, and this is the shade orangish. So this is a new one. I remember I had bought it online or something, and I have not used it yet, but I'm going to use it soon in one of my videos, and I'll be shooting it because I love orange colors. I was not earlier into orange shades, but now I am. And this is a lipstick palette, guys. This is a lipstick palette, and this is ODBO lipstick palette. This was gifted to me by my brother and my sister-in-law, and I think they bought it from Thailand. So this is how the palette looks, and these are the shades, and they have given a lip brush as well along with it, and of course a mirror. So I love this palette. Maybe when I someday visit Thailand, I'm definitely going to go and shop for the cosmetics and, you know, accessories and everything, because they are really cheap over there and very good quality. So a very good palette. The next one is again from Nykaa, and this is Top Thrill, and this is again a brown shade, a nude kind of a brown shade. I mean, you guys will be confused now, there are so many. This is the one. I think from Nykaa I've collected all the mauves, browns, everything, because I love their mauve shades. This is from Revlon. No, not Revlon. L'Oreal Paris, and the shade is 214 Raspberry Syrup. This is a raspberry syrup shade, and I think this was also gifted to me by my in-laws at my wedding time, but a very good shade. Now I'm going to start using this hand, I feel, because this hand is almost full. Now I do have some space. Let me just go here. Yeah, so this is the shade. It's kind of a magenta and pink, more of a pink, less of a magenta, raspberry kind of a shade. So very good. Another one is again from L'Oreal Paris, the same range but a different color. The shade is 250 Rich Molot, and this is more of a brown shade. This was also gifted to me by my in-laws. You know, at wedding time you get a lot of presents. The next one is MAC. Now this is like, I've just stored this because this was my first MAC purchase, you know. I mean, all the girls might understand the emotions. This was my self-purchased first branded lipstick, a high-end brand, you know. Because in those, a few years back, even this brand was a very high brand. Although now this is like getting into a mid-range kind of a brand. But MAC in those days, earlier, was like, oh, if you bought something from MAC, oh my god, she splurged. You know, that was the kind of reaction. So I remember, I think this was when I was working. I had gifted it to myself because I had, you know, earned some extra bonus or something because of my work. And then I gifted myself this first branded lipstick of MAC. So I've kept it as a memory, and I have never found any good red shade, you know, except this. This is Ruby Woo, a very common MAC brand, but a really working good brand and a good shade, Ruby Woo. Very good lipstick, very good. The next one that I have is, I think I bought this at the time of my wedding. This is the Sonam Kapoor collection, and this is from L'Oreal Paris. So at that time they had just, you know, rolled out Sonam Kapoor collection, and as you guys know, Sonam Kapoor has a really good fashion sense. I mean, few of them do not relate to her and they just think like what she wears, but I personally like her style, and I personally love the way she does her makeup and, you know, carries herself. So at that time they had this lipstick out in the under the label of Sonam Kapoor collection, and because of that I just bought it. And but the shade happened to be really good, and I used it a lot, you know, in the days of my wedding, before and after, for many functions. It was very good shade. And this is Pure Garnet, and this shade was so good, a very good shade. The next one is again from Nykaa, and this is Wicked Wine. It's a wine shade, wine color shade. I love wine shade lipsticks. They look really good for any of the night functions or the evening parties, you know, that you have. So if you have worn a gown and you want to just like pop a lipstick and minimal makeup, you can just do a wine shade of lipstick and just like leave your hair open, wear some diamond jewelry and wear a wine color or black color gown, and you're just done for the evening parties. You know, that minimal look, but it kind of makes a statement. So I really love that. I think I had bought it for one of my wine colored gowns. I especially bought for that, but now I use it for many of my outfits because I fell in love with the wine color. And this one again is during my junior college, which I had bought, and this is Bling Pink. So I had bought, these two were, you know, same kind of lipstick, the one which I showed you earlier, the red shade. So I bought one red and I had bought one pink, and again I don't use it, but I've kept it for memories. So this was the pink color, not bad. And these lipsticks I remember were quite cheap, you know, at that time. Maybe somewhere around 200-300 itself I might have got both of them, maybe. There was some kind of deal and I had bought it. I can remember that much. Next one is one of my personal favorites, and that is again L'Oreal Paris itself. Yes, Pure Garnet, but shade 263. Look at the color, it's such a good brown color, very good color, very classy kind of, you know, color. I love this lipstick. It's always going to remain my personal favorite. L'Oreal Paris had, you know, I think I have a lot of lipsticks from L'Oreal Paris. I think these 4 are from L'Oreal Paris. These shades. This shade I'll just show you quickly. This is one more shade which I had, and it is 244 shade, soft violet. It's a violet color shade, and this is the shade. So this was a very good range, you know, which they had come up with, Color Rich Matte. That was a very good range, and I bought 4 lipsticks, you know, of that same range, because very good formulation, and it stays on your lips for a longer time, and it gives you a very matte, good finish. The next one is a blingy kind of a lipstick, a shimmer kind, and it is from, I'm not able to see the brand, Pure Color Tiger Eye Shimmer. Not able to see its brand. Okay, Estee Lauder. I don't know how the branding has gone, but this is from Estee Lauder, and it's their shimmer lipstick. So any of the lipsticks, at times if you want shimmer, then you can just top this lipstick on it, any of the brown shades, because it is in the brown shade. But the lipstick is quite old now, so I don't use it anymore. I don't know even if you all can see this one, this shine which you can see. So it gives a mild shine to your, you know, lip. But this is kind of broken, so I'm not able to use it much. And then I have one more tint from Elf when I had bought it from US. It's a red tint. So the earlier one was orange tint and this one is the red tint. So I think I had used this enough and it's almost about to get over. And this was the shade. Let me take more product and show y'all. This was its shade. It kind of imparts a very good shine on your lips, and even after you eat something or drink something, still this will just stick onto your lips and it will still continue giving the shine and the tint. And then I have one lip liner in this pouch. It is some mauve shade liner, I feel. And I feel this is quite versatile because this mauve shade can be used for nudes, mauves, browns. So, you know, have one of these because it serves good for many shades. And then one of my recent purchase is this, which is from Revlon, and I'm wearing it today. It is in the shade Peach Perfect. This is in the shade Peach Perfect 06. And the range is Revlon Color Stay Ultimate Suit, and this is how it looks. And let me give you a quick swatch. It's a very light pinkish kind of a shade, but it looks really good when you apply it, you know, on your lips. It is light and it does not look too much on your lips. So whenever I want to go with that kind of a look where I want my lips to not speak much, you know, so at that time I go with these kind of shades. So these or this one, they are very subtle ones, you know, something will be there but still it won't, you know, speak out loudly. So I love those kind of looks. And then I think I'm done. Pouch is empty, khali. So these were all my matte lipsticks. Store these lipsticks properly, and I will repeat again, just because you have them, do not use it if you know it's expired or its shelf life has gone, because I don't think these lipsticks come with an expiry date. I've never checked for it if they do, but it's usually said that it's a good practice to discard them post 6 months and not use them. I've just kept it just for collecting them, but otherwise it's not a good practice, so do not use it. I do not promote using old lipsticks because I myself don't use it. And so yeah, this is it. This is my lipstick collection. Hope you guys found it interesting, and hope you guys found some new shade to add to your vanity. But guys, currently we have corona and, you know, pandemic going on, so lipsticks might not be that useful. So what you guys can do is, I do not recommend for you guys to purchase it now. Maybe just you can make a note of any of the shades which you like or the brands which you like, and then maybe, you know, once everything is somewhat back to normal, at that time you can go ahead and purchase it for yourself. So till then, just like make notes of good things and keep it, because right now purchasing them right now will be of no use. They'll just sit in your vanity and then they'll expire and then you cannot use it. So do not waste your money. I've not done the lipstick collection video right now just to encourage you guys to, you know, buy lipsticks. I just thought maybe I want to show you just as a friend how you know, you guys are excited in showing it to your friends, you know, in that spirit itself. But I do not promote buying any cosmetics or anything right now, because clearly they will not be useful right now. But yes, later on you guys can buy and enjoy these shades for yourself and click good Instagrammable pictures. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, then please go and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram handle, which is DS90official, follow my Instagram store, which is dstore9010, and also press the bell icon so that you get all the new interesting videos which I am going to put out very, very soon, and I am just going to continue doing this. So stay tuned till the time I come back again with another video. Bye bye, stay safe and love you guys.